Hi, Ashwin.
Hello.
I like your chart behind you, although it looks like the market is going down, down, down like a staircase.
Yes.
So, the reason why I'm calling today is to get from you your strategies as to how to navigate upwards in this down market. Because as you know, I want to get in control of my own finances. I read a lot, right? And the news hasn't been all that positive. So I know that you, if anyone, can navigate this volatility to make me a buck or two. So I train women empowerment, and I'm so proud to say that this lady called Savita Subramaniam from the Bank of America, she is a strategist. And she's saying that the bank has lowered their year-end target on the S&P 500 from 4,005 to 3,006, making her the most bearish among all Wall Street strategists. So the target represents a decline of about 5.3% of the S&P 500. The index is already down 20% this year. Subramaniam Savita also said that the index could fall much lower before the end of the year, setting the 3,000 range as a potential floor for stocks. So assuming that the S&P drops to 3,000, that would be an 800-point drop from the current levels?
That's correct.
So, I'm reading this and I want to make sense of the numbers in a way that gives me leverage to go in and make some money.
Yes. With that, Tessie, I like to reiterate here in this video, as I've been saying in my previous videos. This video today as well is not designed to make you panic with all this negative news. It is not. This video is designed to make you confident, to tell you that you can make money from a market drop. Let me explain to you what BofA says further. Okay, BofA says that a US recession will hit in the second half of 2022. Okay, and they said this on Wednesday, 13 July. Let me add, second quarter earnings last night for banks were not that good. JP Morgan reported a 28% decline in profits. Okay, this is what we've been saying in our previous video when we said second half is not looking too good. This has happened. But like I said, this video is not designed to make you panic. It's designed to teach you how to make money from any circumstance and swim with the tide.
So when they say a recession second half of the year, do they mean a global recession or just an American recession?
An American recession, it could be global. We're not bothered about that. When they do a recession, so we position ourselves differently. We make money from a market drop. We make money from companies that will make money when a recession hits. It's nothing to panic about, which I'll elaborate later. So BofA says a recession will hit in the second half of this year. On Wednesday, they said that. And the Fed's pandemic stimulus is starting to fade, they warn. And an inflation tax is weakening the spending power of Americans. You see, the Congress wants to do an inflation tax. Okay, so BofA warns that with inflation tax, the US consumer will have less money to spend on non-important things, what we call discretionary spending. It will spend money only on important things. So if we are looking at a small recession, say 3 months, I do not see the recession lasting beyond 3 months. Why? Why? Because by the time the Fed raises 75 points interest rates in July, they would have already raised interest rates by 2.25%, meaning 225 basis points. We will know by August, we will know the effect of this 225 basis points interest rate increase. Because in August, we will get the inflation report for July. In August, we'll get the inflation report for July. If, hypothetically speaking, if inflation starts to peak and drop below 9% in July, a different dynamic will come into play. And stocks will have the excuse to go up. And with that, bond market will go up as well. So, like I repeat, this video is not designed to make you panic. This video is designed to tell you what's happening or what's going to happen and how we can make money for you. I repeat and stress, regardless of market direction. Means you can definitely, I can't use the word guarantee. You can definitely make money regardless of market direction. When the market is dropping 5% more from here, you will make money. When the market finally bottoms out, when the S&P drops to 3,000, okay, and it goes up from there, you will make money as well. Okay, because our new index-based strategy looks at indexes. We have an index strategy where we can make money for you whether the market goes up or down. Okay? This is our new index-based strategy. And in this strategy, we do not buy physical stocks. We do not buy fear index. We do not buy the US dollar. It's strictly index-based, which we know what to do. We know how to do. So the purpose of this video is to assure you that no matter what, even if the market goes 5% down from here, you can make money. And after dropping 5%, when the Fed has done with raising interest rates, when it goes up from here, you can also make money. So it is not meant to scare you to say, oh, recession is coming. Everything's going to be bad. No, we're not trying to do that. We're trying to tell you whether recession or no recession, you can still make money whichever way.
But you know, some of my friends say that the stock market is risky. So what they do is they put their money in property. They buy property and they buy bonds. So they think that those are safe havens for money. Okay, you know, they always, the banks get into our heads, you know, and asking us to buy their products.
Let me tell you what's happened.
But then with an impending recession coming, wouldn't ringgit-based other currency assets also be at risk?
Number one, with this kind of interest rate hike, the bond market, the values of the bond market have dropped. So if you're buying bonds, number one, you're losing money on your bonds. I'm clarifying here. Number one, with the bond market dropping because of interest rate hikes, your bond market position is losing money if you really have bought bonds. Number two, in the recession scenario, straight away property market will come to a standstill. Not standstill, but there'll be very low demand. We have seen this so many times. In a recession, those who are rich, they have money to buy, they can buy property. Let me warn you, what nobody talks about is this. Tessie, in a recession, Bank Negara has raised interest rate by 50 points. There will be some people who can't pay their mortgage. And then there will result in fire sales. So when you say it's good to buy bonds, it's good to invest in property, what kind of timing? Property is all about timing. When everybody starts selling fire sales, you think there's enough supply to enough liquidity to go around for people to buy properties cheap? We have seen so many times over the past 30, 40, 50 years. When recession comes, property market gets hit the first. Because property is an asset. If you want ready cash fast, property is not the way. If you want ready cash fast, there are other things to liquidate.
Well, I have to put a frame around this conversation by saying that we are speaking to the retail investor. Of course, we're not talking to the mega rich, you know, with lots of time and money on their hands. So, you know, they have lots more choices at their resources at their fingertips.
I'm sorry to say this, like we said in our last video, the banks have corrupted the minds of the retail investor. Oh, buy bonds because you're safe. What is the meaning of safe? Today, with this kind of global interest rate hike, and let me add, the interest rate hikes nowadays are not 25, 50 points. They are 100 points at one time. 2 days ago, Bank of Canada raised interest rates by 100 basis points, means 1%. With this kind of magnitude of interest rate hikes to control inflation, bonds will drop. So if you're holding bonds right now, for sure, you are losing money. That is why I said in my last video, when your bank asks you to buy bonds, as early as last November, we said, don't buy bonds. You should ask your bank, why are you asking me to buy bonds when I see interest rates going up? So this is a $1 million question that investors must learn to ask without any embarrassment or whatever, because they're asking you to put your money in something that you know will go down.
Now is the time to apply critical thinking, really
Yes, you have
critical.
to apply. I don't care whether the bank is big or small or it's got connections or whatever. When the shit hits the fan, sorry to say this, Tessie, when the shit hits the fan, everybody will disappear. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. When the shit hits the fan, everybody
how safe is your index strategy? So how much do you need to invest?
Let me explain again slowly. Our index strategy is such a way that when market goes up, you make money. When market goes down, you make money as well. We will position ourselves such a way. So now Savita Subramaniam says that index can go down to 3,000. Now S&P is about 3,800 something. So we will watch the market very closely. And if the market shows weakness from here, okay, which mainly depends on the inflation number right now, we will do such a position that when the S&P drops to 3,000, you will make money. That's how we will do. And when the S&P starts going up after touching the 3,000 level, we will do another strategy that will enable you to make money as well. Okay. And the minimum committed capital for this we require is 75,000 US dollars. If you put the crypto element in there, where we can also do for you a buy, I mean, you can also make money from Bitcoin, whether it's going up or down. If you're going to put the crypto element, then the total will be 100,000 committed capital. If you're going to do only index strategy, then 75,000 US dollars. And our subscription for putting you in part of this and working for you, we are working for you. Our subscription is 5,000 US dollars a year. And for every position where you make a profit, we will charge a 20% performance fee. When you make a profit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and you see during an investment period of say maybe 6 months to a year,
yes,
what kind of yields can one expect?
For this index strategy, we plan to pay out the returns every month. Yes, every month. I'm not kidding. Every month.
Really? Wow.
Yes. Because it's strictly index based. We're not buying physical stocks. We're not buying US dollar. We're not buying the fear index. We're not doing all these things. It's strictly index based.
I see. Okay.
So we will be paying out every month. I cannot tell you the amount now, but there will be payouts every month.
Okay.
Based on 75,000 US dollars.
So you think that it's capital guaranteed?
We cannot use the word capital guaranteed. Okay. We cannot do that because we don't do that. Nobody can do that. Capital guaranteed. This is not a capital guaranteed bond. But this is a market, this is a strategy where market goes up, you make money, market goes down, you make money. Okay?
And if you should lose money, it's a time waiting period.
If you should lose money, it's paper loss. Meaning we will do it such a way that your paper loss will become a profit. This is what I'm saying. The critical.
I think a great thing for the investor to do is to get on the phone and talk to you about customizing their portfolio so that they feel comfortable. Yes.
If you have 1 year waiting time and you can afford a 10 to 20% paper loss, this is worst case scenario I'm saying, there shouldn't be a problem. Notice I said the word paper loss, not realized loss. And I said, if you have a 1 year waiting time, it's just like what Warren Buffett is doing. Let me tell you what Warren Buffett is doing. Oil price has come down. Brent has come down from $120 a barrel to right now, as I speak, it's below $99 a barrel. Everybody's panic, right? So Brent coming down, right? Means all the oil company stocks are down, right? Correct, Tessie? So speaking, Brent is down more than $22 a barrel. So all the oil company stocks are down, right? Well, welcome to Warren Buffett land. In the last 3 months, Warren Buffett has bought 18%, close to 19% of a company called Occidental Petroleum, even when the oil price has been dropping. In American law, once you buy 20%, you can start taking over the company.
So that's his intention, huh?
Everybody's betting that he will go. So now I ask you a question. The most obvious, right? Oil price is dropping.
Why is he buying?
Oil stocks, exactly. Why is he buying? So you see, this is why you pay us 5,000 US dollar subscription fee. Because we go into the mind of Warren Buffett and say, so why is he buying? Now, here's a free tip for those who stayed for this video. Warren Buffett is buying Occidental Petroleum because still, number one, he still sees the oil price remaining high. Goldman Sachs says today, Friday, what's the date today? Friday.
15th.
15th of July. This evening, Biden will land in Saudi Arabia, and rumor in the market that he will pressure the Saudis to pump more oil, to lower the price. This is what Goldman Sachs has just warned. If the Saudis do that, one thing people should know, you see, this is why you pay us 5,000, because we know all this research. The US Strategic Petroleum Reserve has dropped to the lowest level since 1996. US oil reserves are dropping. So even if the Saudis pump more oil and US oil reserves are dropping, you think oil price is going to crash?
Yeah.
I'm showing you the brain, our brain, where you pay us a subscription fee, and we are telling you why Warren Buffett is buying Occidental Petroleum.
It goes so deep, Ashwin.
So Ceci, sometimes I get irritated because you tell me, my friend said I can do it myself. I say, please do it. Because you see, please understand this.
But they're trying to save money in the wrong way.
For the salary you pay us 5,000 a year, we are sitting down there analyzing in our algorithm every single piece of news and statement that comes out in the market. We are doing this 24/7, not 5 days a week, 24/7. So by analyzing, we understand. And the second reason why Warren Buffett is interested in Occidental Petroleum, it's a free tip for you. Right now, Occidental Petroleum is trading at below $60 a share. Okay, we are going to start buying at 56 to 58. I'm giving you a free tip. Why do you think we're buying Occidental Petroleum? Because the second reason why it looks attractive, Occidental Petroleum is the first oil company to look into carbon capture. They set up these huge fans in the desert, and these huge fans are designed to capture the carbon in the atmosphere and send it underground.
Amazing.
This is a
technology.
Huge ESG thing. This is a huge ESG thing. So you see, I'm showing you when people, retail investors.
So you really are sure-footed about why you make decisions the way you do.
Yes, you cannot. Please, I tell retail investors, do not make decisions, hasty decisions, based on just headline news. Understand what's happening. Headline news, we never follow headline news, because headline news will make you lose money. I repeat, do not follow headline news. Headline news will make you lose money. Understand the situation. Watch the market carefully.
So what do we do next? What do we do next, Ashwin?
If you want to make money from this market drop and then make money again when market bounces up, when bottoms out, please give us a call. We'll tell you how to do it. $75,000 committed capital, $5,000 subscription fee, where we give you our brain. We tell you every month, and you get subscription to our WhatsApp research channel.
Obviously, if you have more money to play with, there's more opportunities to earn an income. Money makes money, yeah?
Minimum is 75,000. Minimum 75,000. Okay. If you add the crypto element, 100,000. So what I'm trying to say is, when people just say, why should I pay you a fee? I can do it myself. Yes. But can you see with one single Warren Buffett action, how much research is involved?
Yes, but you are but you are sure-footed about delivering the returns, which is the important thing.
Yes.
It has to all go somewhere.
You see? So based on that, like I said, if you're going to say oil price is going to crash to $60.
So how much time do you take in designing someone's portfolio? So like say if I'm a new investor and I'm interested, I get on a call with you, and we can get started within how long?
Based on how fast your account is open, because we will require to open an account with the online broker. That will take between 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
Once your account is set up, because the money that you have, committed capital, 75,000 US, will go into your name in your account. We do not touch the money. And then sign a paper to say, I give you the authorization to trade on my behalf.
Okay.
Once that is set up, it'll take 3 to 5 days, 3 to 5 working days. We can all systems go, because we are working 24/7. We know what to do when you come in, which angle, as long as you tell us what's my risk appetite, 10%.
And this formula is just for your retail investor. You have other ways of working with high net worth individuals and institutional clients.
I'm just mentioning this casually. If anybody has between 3 to 5 million US dollars, we have another formula for you where you can do so many things. You can even buy, for those with $3 to $5 million, You can even buy blue chip stocks worldwide at 3 to 5% below market price. That's a different thing altogether. But I'm just showing what kind of things we are doing. Imagine if you buy a blue chip company 3 to 5% below the market price, you straight away have an edge. But for that, it's 3 to 5 million US dollars committed capital.
Okay.
And that's
so thank you, Ashwin. I need your contact details, please.
Yes. My email is ashwin@ppchk.net. And the WhatsApp is bit.ly/algotrader. And our YouTube channel is bit.ly/algowealth. If you want to have a free algorithm ideas newsletter, drop us a line at bit.ly/algotrader with your email, and we will send you our newsletter completely free of charge.
Thank you. Such good value. Thank you so much, Ashwin.
Thank you.
We're talking to you soon.
Thanks.